What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to change the photographic style for the camera app on the iPhone 14. This will work for the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, and the iPhone 14 Pro as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So with the iPhone 14, Apple introduced photographic style, which allows you to change the default output of the images on your iPhone 14 from several different options that will change the look and feelings that you get from your snaps. So what you want to do is head over to your settings here. From there, you want to look for camera, and right here it's below photos and right above books here towards the ends of the settings. You want to hit camera, and then from there the setting that you want to look for is photographic style. And as you can see, it reads that photographic styles will personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preferences into the capture. Photographic styles uses advanced scene understanding to apply the right amount of adjustments to different parts of the photo. So if you hit photographic style here, you'll see that there's 5 options you have available to you. You have standard, which is set at 0 tone and 0 warmth, and this is the default look produced by the iPhone camera that's balanced and true to life. Next, you have rich contrast style, which decreases tone by 50, which has darker shadows, richer colors, and a stronger contrast to create a dynamic look. After that, you have vibrant, which increases tone by 50, which is a wonderfully bright and vivid colors, and it creates a brilliant yet natural look. Next to vibrant, you have warm, which will increase warmth by 50. This will increase gold undertones to create a warm look. And finally, you have cool, which decreases warmth by 50, and this will create blue undertones to create a cool look. So overall, 5 styles that adjust the look that you'll get from your images by default with the iPhone camera, which what Apple calls photographic styles. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.